guys, what's up? We're out here shooting my friend's 22. So, here, shoot it. Okay. And now it's his turn. Let me put that up in a second. These are just iron sights. I don't have my scope on it yet. Whew. And we could try to keep the shells up here. And I'll take this and I'll load my 22, put it in there. And it's cold out, so. Oh, that one. That one sounded cool. I think you hit something metal. Yeah, I probably hit a barbed wire. Yeah, or something. So that sounded cool. I can't see anything, so videotaping. So yeah, and we have our target set out there, like 10 yards.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I thought it didn't come out.
I was like, oops. Okay, my turn. Pull back. Okay. So it's really cool trying to hold it. So bye, guys.